I had a really, really good start to 2021.
Hmm.
Um, I was completely swamped in February and into the second week of March. Um, like my gross income was really good for the first 2 months.
Awesome.
And then right after mid-March, I noticed that all the buyers, I had about six buyers I was working with, so all of them
Hmm.
were done. And I was kind of like left in a spot where I was like, wait a second, now I have no business to do.
All right, all dried up.
So yeah, so I didn't know what else to do, and I mean, I'll go through stages where, and this is consistently over my last 10 years, where I'm swamped for like 2 to 3 months, and then like summer hits, and I get to enjoy my summer, so I don't care.
Right.
Like as long as I make the amount of money that I want to make personally, then that's really what matters to me.
Hmm.
So my thing has always been I get to enjoy my summer. I get to enjoy Christmas because that to me is like my number one. So
Hmm.
I'll take like a month, not take a month off, but I won't essentially focus per se on the business. But when it happened that things slowed down in March, I was kind of like caught off guard. So I was like, something's got to change. I got to figure out something that I can
Right.
kind of keep myself busy with.
Hmm.
And then a friend of mine who got into the business because of me years ago actually told me that he was doing lead gen with you guys, which I knew that he was doing it, but I didn't know who it was with or how the system
Right.
worked. Um, so he actually referred me to you guys, gave me the kind of the idea. So then I did my homework, talked to a couple different companies on how I kind of wanted to handle this, and I found that your system was the best one, in my opinion, as to
Hmm.
how your system operates and how things kind of worked out for me. So that's kind of what threw me over the edge to kind of join you guys.